Today we're going to have a look at the four most common shapes. We'll start with the curvy, and this pad has the same size top half as it does bottom half. You can check this when you fold it in half and see that both the top and the bottom match up perfectly. So that's your general curvy shape pad. Next we'll have a look at back bleeder. So the back bleeder, again, it has a curvy shape to it, but you'll notice that the top is much shorter than the back half. The back half is longer. Now, folding it in half again, this being our central point where the wings are, it goes in your underwear. Lined up, you can see this top half is much smaller than the bottom half. So when we open that back up, and that allows for you to have more coverage towards the middle and back end during your period. Now, front bleeder. It's kind of like the back bleeder in reverse. We have a longer extended front with a shorter end at the back. Now, we fold this over central again, and we can see there's a much bigger difference here between what's our back and what's our front when it's folded in the middle. Now, the reason is this, so that when it gets tucked around your underwear, you have all that coverage from the mid to the top, and with a short end at the back, so there's no bulk at the back, but it's not a G-string, so it won't sit up towards your butt crack. It will stay nice and sit nice and comfy where it's meant to be. Now, the other shape we have is this one, and this is the wrapper wing. Now, this one is really good if you bleed over the sides of your pad. There's no definitive top and bottom. It's the same size both ways. But when we fold it to go around underwear, it gives nice, straight, long shape, nice, even coverage. The good thing about this one is when we turn it on the back, you can see here, the coverage of the wings is almost the whole length of the pad. So all this section here is still able, when you got it on in your underwear, is still able to absorb and catch blood. So you're not just running off the sides straight onto your clothes. It can actually catch that for you. If you're looking at what is the closest to a store-bought pad, you'll be looking at the curvy standard or the wrapper wing. You'll find that the curvy standard does come in a bit more fitted in the central part with a bit more flare through the top and the bottom, whereas the wing wrap is just a nice straight shape all the way through.